Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. As far as the weather is concerned, it was nice and sunny yesterday with temperatures above normal. I was at the Farm Progress Show yesterday in Decatur. Saw a lot of people. The three main topics that people were talking about: number one, China. Fundamentally, does what's going on in China mean as much negative news to commodity prices as what we've seen so far? It is interesting that China's stock market is closed for the next few days. We're closed on Monday, so we won't be trading China news until next Tuesday, which makes next Tuesday's trade very interesting. A lot of people also want to know about the USDA August crop report and whether analysts believed it or not. Overnight, we saw one group come out with a crop estimate on the corn of 13,457. The government was 13,686, and their bean estimate is still around 3791. The government was 3916. So that kind of added a little question to the USDA numbers and the methodology. We even had questions of whether the USDA should eliminate the August crop report because they don't really have any harvest data. And it may not be till the October crop report, when they do have a lot of harvest data, that we find out what the true crop size is. It was interesting that the temperatures in central Illinois certainly is turning the crops, both corn and beans, and maturing them pretty quickly. As far as the other news overnight, at the Farm Progress Show, the other questions had to do with what are the farmers going to do at these lower prices? And the big push there was big data and how you can use big data for farmers to increase their production capability. Farmers really have nothing to say about prices. They have nothing to say about the weather, but they can impact their farm practices and their farm businesses by increasing some of their production efficiencies. As far as weather is concerned, it looks like there's some rain across the western part of the Midwest. That should move east. The 6 to 10 day calls for normal to above temps, maybe normal rainfall, but it's interesting the 8 to 14 day actually goes to below normal temps with normal rains across the Midwest. Still seeing lower Brazil currency. We've seen the ruble in Russia trade lower. The Australian dollar is near 6-year lows, and French wheat prices are near 1-year lows due to a lack of export demand, their big crops, and the recent rally in the euro dollar. So overnight, grain prices are mixed. We're kind of searching in the dark here to see what is China's next move, what is the final U.S. crop size, what do farmers do, and where is value as far as searching for a price that's going to start increasing demand for corn, beans, and wheat. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.